Dear students, I welcome you all to the online learning class for the subject Fundamentals of Agricultural Economics. I am your course teacher B. Muthuraja, Assistant Professor, Agricultural Economics in Ramakrishna Mission Vivekananda Educational and Research Institute, Faculty Center for Agricultural Education and Research, Coimbatore. I welcome you all to today's class. Welcome to today's class on law of equimarginal utility. So it is the second law of cardinal approach. Here we can see about the concept equimarginal utility. Equi means equal, marginal utility means equal additional satisfaction. So here the consumer has a budget or money with him which can be put to several uses. He can spend it for many purposes, for purchase of mango, for purchase of orange or apple or etc. So he can put to several uses. He will distribute it among these uses in such a way that it will give the same marginal utility in all. The additional satisfaction derived from consuming another unit will be equal. So this law states that the marginal utility from all the commodity he purchases will be equal. Marshall stated that the law is, if a person has a thing which can be put to several uses, that is the money, he will distribute it among these uses in such a way that it has the same marginal utility in all. So let's say that there are three commodities, namely X, Y, Z. The consumer will distribute the money into the combination of MUX will be equal to MUY equal to MUZ. That is marginal utility from all the commodities will be equal. Here the consumer attains equilibrium at the point MUX divided by PX equal to MUY divided by PY, where MUX is marginal utility of X and PX refers to price of X. In previous lecture on law of diminishing marginal utility, we have seen that the equilibrium obtained at the point where marginal utility equals the price. So when marginal utility equals price, the consumer attains equilibrium. Here also, when he consumes two products, let's say X and Y, he will get equilibrium at the point MUX divided by PX equal to MUY divided by PY. Let's see this with an example. Here given orange and mango. So the units 1 to 6, and the orange marginal utility has given as 20, 18, 16, 14, 12, 10, and mango's marginal utility given as 24, 21, 18, 15, 6, 9 and 6. And the price of orange is rupees 2 per unit, and the price of mango is rupees 3 per unit. So we take it as marginal utility of X, and we take the price as PX, and we take marginal utility of Y, mango, and PY as price of mango. The consumer budget here is 19 rupees. So we have to find the equilibrium for law of equimarginal utility. For the consumer's equilibrium, we have to find MUX divided by PX and MUY divided by PY, which can be easily found by dividing the marginal utility of X divided by price of X. That is 20 divided by 2 will be equal to 10, and 18 divided by 2 equal to 9, and similarly 8, 7, 6, 5, can be arrived. Similarly, we can find it for mango also. So MUY divided by PY will give 24 divided by 3, 8. 21 divided by 3, 7. Similarly, we can find it for the rest. So we can see that the module MUX divided by PX and MUY divided by PY will be equal in these combinations 8 and 8, 7 and 7, 6 and 6, 5 and 5. So these four combinations are in equilibrium. So we have to see these four combinations whether it matches with our budget. These four combinations where MUX divided by PX equal to MUY by PY are equal, we can have it. So 3 units of X, that is 3 units of orange and 1 unit of mango, that is the first combination. 3 units of orange and 1 unit of mango, that is the first combination. And next combination is 7, 7. So 4 units of orange and 2 units of mango will be the second unit, second combination. And then 5 units of orange and 3 units of mango will give the third combination. Later, and finally 6 units of orange and 4 units of mango will give the last combination. So these four combinations will bring maximum satisfaction to the consumer, but his purchase is decided by his budget. So we have to see his budget. We know that the cost of orange is ₹2 and the cost of mango is ₹3. So 3 units of orange will cost 3 into 2 and 1 unit of mango will cost 1:3, 1 into 3. So the total will be ₹9. And similarly for the second combinations, 4 unit of orange, 4 into 2 and 2 units of mango, 2 into 3. So that will give 14. Similarly for the third combinations, 5 into 2 and 3 into 3 will give 19. And for the final combination, 6 units of orange and 4 units of mango, 6 into 2 plus 4 into 3 will give ₹24. So this will be the cost for purchasing the commodities, the two goods, orange and mango. So given that consumer budget as 19, he will choose combination 3 where he get maximum satisfaction with his budget. So this combination 3 will be selected as the best combination for the consumer. So that is 5 units of orange and 3 units of mango will give the maximum satisfaction to the consumer. Thank you.